This is the Pebble Keys 2 Logitech Bluetooth keyboard here. First initial impression, obviously, these keys are pretty unique. The keyboard it's actually quite thick in my opinion. Looking at the box here initially, this is what it comes in. It looks like it's much thinner, and then when you get it, obviously you get this massively thick keyboard here. But overall, very sleek design here from Logitech. Process is pretty simple. You press the pairing key here, and then you should be able to then easily connect it with whatever device that you want. So that's pretty good. On and off switch is over here on the side. Turn it off, turn it back on. Let us see. So there's no USB-C port, okay? Here for charging. So this keyboard, you have to install the batteries. Looks like there's 2 AAA batteries that you will need. So no USB-C compatibility for these keyboards here. Let me just go ahead and put this back on here. Okay, backplate seems a little flimsy, a little cheap, so I would be a little bit concerned about it actually breaking. But in terms of like the build quality, the rest of the build quality feels pretty sturdy, feels pretty nice. You know what this kind of feels like? It feels almost like those very old school typewriters that you would have. I don't know if anyone remembers those from back in your grandmother's days, but that's kind of like what I guess they were going with the design. Pretty good feedback overall. It's nice. This is just my first initial impression. I'll make some more videos where I'll show you the process for connecting this via Bluetooth.